Everyone's talking about crypto again, but if you're still sitting on the sidelines wondering how to start or what's even legit, this video is for you. I'm breaking down a beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide to cryptocurrency investing in 2025, with no fluff, no hype, and no need to be a tech genius. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is digital money, built on blockchain technology. That just means it's decentralized, no middleman, no bank. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but today there are thousands of coins. But not all coins are created equal. Some are legit, some are memes, some are outright scams. So the key is knowing what you're actually buying into, not just chasing hype. 2. Best cryptos for beginners. If you're brand new, start with the blue chips. Bitcoin, BTC. The original, most stable, often compared to digital gold. Ethereum, ETH more than a currency. It powers smart contracts and dApps. Solana, SOL. Fast and growing fast in NFT and DeFi spaces. Chainlink, Link, supports real-world data in blockchain apps. These aren't guaranteed winners, but they have use cases, strong teams, and long-term communities. Avoid random meme coins with zero utility. If it sounds like a joke, it probably is. How much should you invest? Here's a golden rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. That means one day you're up 40%, the next you're down 60%. For beginners, start with 1 to 5% of your total investment portfolio. Think of it as a high-risk, high-reward experiment. And don't go all in at once. Use a strategy called dollar-cost averaging. Buy small amounts consistently over time. 4. Understanding wallets. You've probably heard not your keys, not your coins. That's because if you leave your crypto on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, technically, you don't own it. There are 2 main types of wallets. Hot wallets, like MetaMask, easy access, but connected to the internet. Cold wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, offline and super secure. Start with a hot wallet for ease, but look into cold wallets once your portfolio grows. 5. How to research crypto projects. Before buying any coin, ask, what does this project do? Who's behind it? Is it solving a real problem? How active is the community and development? Use sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and read white papers or summaries if you're not into technical docs. And always follow updates on Twitter, X, Reddit, and Discords. Crypto moves fast. The more informed you are, the smarter your decisions will be. 6. Staying safe. Crypto scams are real, from phishing emails to fake airdrops and pump and dump schemes. Security checklist for beginners. Enable 2FA, two-factor authentication. Never share your wallet seed phrase ever. Don't click random links in DMs. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage. If someone promises guaranteed returns in crypto, run. 7. How to build a simple beginner portfolio. A sample beginner portfolio might look like this. 50% Bitcoin, safe, stable. 30% Ethereum, growth plus utility. 10% Solana or Layer 2s. 10% small cap coin of your choice. High risk, high reward. Keep track with portfolio apps like CoinStats, Delta, or Zerion. And remember, diversification equals protection. Don't bet everything on one token. 8. Long-term versus short-term strategy. Ask yourself, are you in this to flip coins or build wealth? Short-term trading can be profitable, but it's also stressful and risky. Long-term holding, aka hodling, has historically worked for BTC and ETH. A mix of both is okay, just make sure you understand your risk tolerance. And please, don't invest based on TikTok hype or crypto Twitter FOMO. Final thoughts. Crypto isn't just about getting rich quick. It's about understanding a new financial system. Start small, stay curious, learn as you go. Because the people who win in crypto aren't always the first. They're the ones who stick around. If you want a free checklist with everything we covered, wallets, apps, portfolio tips, I've linked it below. Hit like if this helped you, and comment your biggest crypto question for 2025. And don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning.